What's the meaning of cost price? Cost price. Cost price.
Cost price. Cost price. Cost price refers to the total cost of a product or service, including all expenses incurred in its production or acquisition. This includes direct costs such as materials, labor, and overhead, as well as indirect costs such as taxes and administrative expenses. The cost price is used to determine the minimum price at which a company can sell its product or service to make a profit. It is also commonly used to calculate gross margin, which is the difference between the cost price and the selling price of a product or service.